Hi, I'm John. I'm going to show you how your caravan works. Start off with, you get your key, put it in there, unlock that. That's for your toilet flush. So you fill that up with water and you put your pink stuff in there, and when you go inside and push the blue button, it's going to flush your toilet. Okay. Inside here, it's a cassette. You just lift that up, look at that. You take it away and this is your waste container, and you're not put it self-contained, so you just put these two pipes in there, and just put that pipe in there, and that's where your wastewater goes. Down here to your battery box. Now you got your battery in there, and then you just connect the power cord in there, and it sits in that wee bit. You hide that away. Oh, won't stay there, so you've got to lock that. Yeah, it's locked. This one here is where you put your pump in. So you put this thing in your barrel, just like that. Connect it in there, and then you're all good with your water. Okay. In here, you've got your power cord, you've got your leg winder in there, gas bottle, so you turn your gas bottle on, and when you're travelling, you always got to turn your gas bottle off. You're not allowed to travel with it on, okay? Come in here. So this is your control panel, so you push this button to turn it on. As you can see, we've plugged in the power. Now we've got the barrel full of water, and you can turn the pump on. Okay, that there's your awning light. This one here is for these lights here. Okay, and this one here just shows you your voltage. So at the moment it's sitting on 14. Normally it'll sit between 12 and 13. You don't want it drop below 11.5. That's when it starts to stuff your battery. Okay, this wee bit thing here, so what you do is you push the button, and you got the flashing caravan, you push it on there, and you can set your temperature. Okay, and once you've got the temperature, push the button again, and it goes back. Then you go to the next one, is your hot water. Push that, so you've got eco, hot and boost. So when you're going to have a shower, you can put it on boost, just gives that extra bit of boost. We'll put it back on eco, then you push your button again. Okay, then you go to that one. So at the moment we're on electric 2. You can go electric 1, you can have mix, which is electric and gas, electric 1 or gas. Okay, so if you're going to be plugged in all the time, just stick it on electric 2, push the button, and that's good to go. And then the wee fan, that's for your heater. So you push that in. At the moment it's on eco. You can go high and boost. So we'll just stick it on there. Okay. And the other ones, the time sets, there's books that you can read up, and that will tell you a bit more in depth, and we can also send you a video. Okay, right down under here, as you can hear, your heater's going, so it's blowing out here, nice and warm here. So in winter time, if you're not going to use your caravan, this little yellow toggle, you flip that up, and it's going to drain all the water out of your hot water cylinder and your pipes, and that just stops it from freezing. Okay, under here, so this one here is your 240 volt fuses, and then your 12 volt fuses. Okay, so with your 12 volt, you'll see the numbers along here. So what you do is you open up this door here, you got this here, and that just tells you what the numbers are. Okay, and these buttons here, you got your green one for your charge, and the orange one for the heating and hot water. So you leave that on because it won't work if you have that turned off, it won't work on that control panel. Okay, so you leave that on and leave your charge on, so every time you plug in it's going to charge your battery. Okay, and that's just under your bed. We'll move here to your fridge. So at the moment the fridge is on auto. That's probably the best one to leave it on, because if you're plugged in the power, it'll automatically go to the plug. If you're off grid, it will go straight to gas. Okay, and then you just use your mode button there. Battery won't work unless you've got it hooked up to your car. Okay, and if you hear that noise with gas, it means you either run out of gas or you haven't turned your gas on. Okay, so now it's on gas, electric, auto, and it'll go straight to the plug. And this one's your temperature. Okay, all the plugs and the microwave won't work unless you're plugged in the power. Okay, right, so we've got your stove here, so this button here, push that and it clicks. Okay, so you turn your knob round, push it in, push the clicker, and you will get gas. Okay, hold it in for a wee bit, let it go, and then you've got the gas. And this door here, if you pull that down, it cuts it off. Okay, so if you forget about it that it's on, you pull that down, it's gonna cut that and cut the gas off. Okay, so then you just turn that off. It's just a wee fail-safe thing there. Oh, then we got your grill here. So with your grill is that one there, so same game, push it in, push the button, and then you got your thing, gas come through. Just hold it on a wee bit, let it go, and then you're all good to cook your toast. Okay, and then you got the same again, so that's your wee rack for your toast. Just take that out for a minute. So the same again, turn it, push it in, push the wee button, and then you got your gas. Hold it in for a wee bit, let it go, and then you're all good to cook your roast chicken. Right, so we'll go around here. As you can see, your TV's on and going. So that's just your wee plugged into your wee 12 volt and then pushed into there. So that's one thing for the lounge. If you want it in your bedroom, you just come around here and then you just plug it in there and plug the aerial in there, and you can sit it on there and watch TV in bed. Okay, then we'll go into the cupboard beside the bed. So if you open that, this is where your control is. Okay, so at the moment it's going, so you hold the power button on till this wee green light comes on. Okay, and when you're parked up, hold that in and you'll see the green light come on and then move, and then you should hear your satellite dish on the roof. It will start spinning around to try and find the signal. Just got to remember, don't park close to any hedges, trees, buildings, because it needs to line of sight to pick up the satellite. Okay, we'll go down here to your bathroom. Shower's pretty self-explanatory. A nice shower head, and then you got your wee tap there. Okay, toilet. So go down here, you got the flap that opens and shuts the wee flap of the toilet. So if you, got the chemicals in there. So it just opens and shuts. So it is opened up, do your business, and then this is the flush. As you can hear it, there's no water at the moment, so if you go outside where I showed you first, fill it up with water, then you can push that and it's going to flush your toilet. Okay. And that is how your caravan works. Hope you enjoyed.